fresh eyes. So suddenly I'm in love with a stranger.
Know that all you have to do is stay a minute. Just take your time. The clock is ticking.
You're going to start off by pouring your glue into your bowl. I finally got my hands on one of these gallons of glue, so that's what I'm using. Then you're going to add the same amount of shaving foam, just a little bit more. Then just mix it until it's smooth. Here I'm just adding my activator. You can also use laundry detergent, borax, liquid starch, things like that, but I'm using saline solution or contact solution. Just keep adding until it doesn't stick to the bowl anymore. Then, after it stops sticking to the bowl, you can go in with your hands and start kneading it, and after it's not sticky, then there you go, your slime is already done. Some ASMR.